How to choose a reliable window cleaner in Oxfordshire and newid Dirian of Droll. How to choose a reliable window cleaner in Oxfordshire. Finding a reliable window cleaner sounds simple. However, many homeowners in Oxfordshire have had mixed experiences. This article will help you. How to choose a reliable window cleaner in Oxfordshire. Missed visits, poor results, no communication. So, how do you choose the right company? More importantly, how do you avoid the wrong one? Start with reputation first, check reviews, then check them again because reviews tell the real story. Look for consistent 5-star feedback, recent reviews, not just old ones, comments about reliability and communication. For example, when searching window cleaning Oxfordshire, you will quickly see who stands out. As a result, you can shortlist companies with a proven track record. Here at Alfresco, we currently have 399 Google reviews. Next, look for a regular service. A good window cleaner offers a structured service, not a turn up when we can approach. So ask, do they clean every 4 or 6 weeks? Do they send reminders? Do they have a proper system? Because consistency matters. In addition, regular cleaning keeps your windows in better condition. Over time, this also protects frames and seals. At Alfresco, with our 30 years knowledge and experience, every 6 weeks is about right. Then check how they clean. Not all window cleaning is the same. Today, most professional companies use pure water systems. These leave a spot-free finish without chemicals. However, some still use outdated methods. So ask, do you use pure water? Do you clean frames and seals every time? Do you work safely from the ground? Because the method used will affect the result. Insurance and safety matter. This is often overlooked. However, it should not be. A reliable company will have public liability insurance, trained staff, safe working methods. So don't be afraid to ask, because if something goes wrong, you need to know you are covered. Communication is key. Good service is not just about clean windows. It is also about communication. So look for companies that send reminders before arrival, let you know if schedules change, offer an easy way to get in touch. For example, many of the best rated exterior cleaners in Oxfordshire now use customer portals and text updates. As a result, you are never left guessing. Pricing should be clear. Price matters. However, cheap is not always best. In fact, very low prices often lead to poor service. So look for clear pricing, no hidden extras, a fair reflection of the work involved, because a professional service costs more to run. As a result, it delivers better results. Look for guarantees. A reliable company stands behind its work. So ask, what happens if I am not happy? Will you come back and re-clean? Because this shows confidence in the service. In addition, it gives you peace of mind. Local experience counts. Oxfordshire has a mix of property types, from modern estates to older homes. Therefore, experience matters. A local company will understand access challenges, water supply issues, common dirt and build-up in the area. As a result, they work more efficiently. They also achieve better results. Finally, trust your instincts. After all the checks, trust your judgment. If something feels off, it usually is. However, if a company is professional, clear in communication, confident in their service, then you are likely in safe hands. Why many homeowners choose Alfresco? At Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, we have built our reputation over nearly 30 years. Regular 6-week window cleaning service, pure water system for a spotless finish, friendly office team, Monday to Friday, over 399 Google reviews. As a result, we are proud to be one of the best rated exterior cleaners in Oxfordshire. The bottom line, choosing a window cleaner should not be a gamble. So take your time, ask the right questions, look for consistency, because when you choose well, the service becomes one less thing to think about, and that is exactly how it should be.